So we had, the tube was clogged. You can see this weird little squish in it. I want to get something to change that. This should be hard tubed actually, with like PVC piping. So I may change that too. But this whole thing was dripping water out of it. So everybody's been a little sick for the last few days, so I figured I'd check and make sure there's no mold in here. Actually, I could probably do it through here even easier, since I have this. Looks like there might be some on there. My furnace is actually mounted on its side here. Most people's furnaces will be vertical, so the stuff I was working on would be on top of the main unit. There's my coil. Well, it doesn't look bad in there. Can't see anything. So at least I don't have to do that, but if you take these this one's under this, you take this little panel off here, then you can peek in and see the coil that's in there. Just check, see how dirty it is. Sometimes even if it's dirty, not moldy, then it'll be less efficient. But there you go. This thing actually looked like it had a little bit of mold in it. I'm actually gonna take this filter out, since you're supposed to replace them every season anyway. I'm gonna try to remember to take it out before you know, at the end of winter, because there's no reason to have this water just standing in there the whole time. I mean, I see a couple little spots in there. Let's see if we can see up there. That look pretty clean though. So yeah, I took the filter out there. Just turned off the water so no more water can go in there and sit. And then you're just gonna remember to put the filter back on and make sure this thing is turned to summer too, which closes that. And then we should be all good. And of course nobody should have to be told to do this, but always make sure you're checking this filter and replacing it. That one actually looks really good. So here's some pictures of the inside of that. I really don't know if that was mold or what it was, but like I said, it helps increase the efficiency of the system anyway if you clean this coil out every once in a while. I have another video where I had a window air conditioner I didn't clean for a long time, and it was like that. You can see here the inside, that kind of looks like a mold there on the, but you can see this better than I could actually see it that day. But so it doesn't hurt to spray it down with some of this cleaner stuff. There'll be a link in the description for some of this stuff if you want to use it. I just basically sprayed it all down. You can scrub it a little bit too. Use a toothbrush or something so you don't bend any of these fins. That'll really mess the efficiency of your system up. Oh, you see, so I just soak it down. I mean, this thing gets wet anyway when it is doing its job, cooling your house, so don't worry about soaking it down. And like I said, if you use a toothbrush or something, scrub a little bit. If you don't have this access panel like I had on the top from the humidifier, you take that side panel off and get to it actually better than I could. That's just a little, figured I had this access, so I just sprayed it in through there. But it's a good idea to clean this out. If you're not comfortable with it, go hire a professional. But hope this helped. Like, subscribe, comment any questions. Have fun.